unboxing to do for you. Just got delivered to my door via UPS, or should I say via UPS. I've got the new Pioneer FLX10. So come and join me as I unbox this for the very first time. So let's go this way to check this out. All right, here we go. Okay, I think I might have this right here. Okay. Grab my knife, pull it out. Be careful not to cut myself. Here we have some boxes. And da-da-da-da-da-da, there it is, the Flex 10. Is that what we're calling it, the Flex 10 or the FLX 10? It's kind of flexible. Not really, pretty sturdy. A little heavy. Throw the box away. And here we have it, the DDJ FLX10, compatible with both Record Box and Serato from what I am told. So let's go ahead and get this off. Got a handle on this thing. Okay. There we go. Oh, comes out from the top. And immediately looking in here, we have our instructions and some cables and a USB-C cable, finally. And look at that, the power brick isn't that great, and that is very proprietary. And here we go, let's get rid of this here. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Nice and easy, Jessica. Okay. Flip it around. We have something here. It says, register your product via the app. So I guess we're gonna scan a QR code. There you see it. And we will register that in a moment. And crackle, crackle as we open up the wrapping on our unit. Can you feel the excitement in the air? Okay, here we go. And dun dun dun. It's my favorite sound effect. Drum roll, please. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Check out. Wow, what a sweet little fader. Already I'm loving it. So you know what? It reminds me of my DDJ-1000, and that's one of my favorite units here. So take a look here. We've got some wonderful. There's that USB-C slot that you can see there. And one of the reasons I am excited about this product is that it has stems. First time we see that here on this Pioneer controller. All right, I'm gonna plug it in, see how it works. But anyhow, there's your unboxing, guys. All right, so I just brought out my DDJ-1000 so I can compare the new Flex 10 with it. And in particular, I have here an Odyssey low profile case that I use for my DDJ-1000 that I really love. And I kind of wanted to see if it would fit the Flex 10. So, because I think that the Odyssey is selling the same case for that unit. Save me a little cash with that one. So let me go ahead and throw you back up on the overhead over here so you could take a quick look. I know that my head is missing when I stand up, but anyhow, so here we have the DDJ-1000. Let me go get the Flex 10. And as you can see, it's pretty much almost the same size, with the exception that it's a little longer. Of course, it's a little longer because it's got right up over the top our stems for the active parts and such. So it's a little bit longer than the, or longer, should I say, depth-wise, it's a little bigger. So anyhow, I'm going to take out my DDJ-1000 out of this case, and we're going to see if it fits. Now I've kind of retrofitted my case here so I can plug put in a laptop stand over here, but let's see what we got. It's not a perfect fit, unfortunately. I'd have to shave down the foam a little bit on the side. But yeah, a little disappointing that it doesn't fit my case, but I rest my case. Anyhow, I'm really excited to get this thing up and running to see how it works. Thanks for watching my video. It was just kind of really quick. I was really excited, and I thought I'd just record you a little something. So anyhow, thanks again, my DJ friends and enthusiasts. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope you tune in for next time. Maybe I'll throw up another video review on this particular unit. So, all right, take it easy, and bye for now.